Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview GLB Alkalinity Up. What is GLB Alkalinity Up? GLB Alkalinity Up increases total alkalinity in swimming pool water. Maintaining proper alkalinity aids in preventing the pH level from changing. Keeping your pool water balanced is an important step in getting the most out of and preserving the life of pool equipment. This product is easy to apply, just pour it directly into the pool. Alkalinity Up can be used with chlorine, bromine, ozone, saltwater pools, and biguanide sanitizers. Product benefits. Balancer increases the alkalinity of pool water to prevent the pH level from fluctuating. Easily maintain the proper alkalinity level of 80 to 120 ppm. Helps maintain proper water balance. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.